Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? I hope you and your family are fine and enjoying good health. Attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. Okay, so it's your We and Our World class. Please get your We and Our World book. Let's start our lesson. We and Our World. Dear student, open page number 1. Page number 1. Myself. Tell me about yourself. Name, age, food, sport, color. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite sport? And what is your favorite color? Here, paste your picture. Dear students, please tell me, how old are you? E-I-G-H-T, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Right here, 8. What is your favorite food? Rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Right here, rice. What is your favorite sport? Football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L, ball. Football. F-O-O-T, foot. B-O-L-L, ball. Football. Right here, football. What is your favorite color? Black. B-L-A-C-K, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Right here, black. Name. Right here your name. Age. I like. Food. What is your favorite food? Right here. What is your favorite sport? Right here. What is your favorite color? Right here. And paste your picture here. Dear student, make a video. In video, tell me about yourself. Name, age, your favorite food, your favorite sport, your favorite color. This is your homework. Dear students, I hope you have understood the lecture. If you still feel difficulty in understanding anything, or if you have any questions regarding this lecture, call me at school's number and I will answer your all queries. Complete all the homework that are assigned to you in 2 days and share the pictures of your homework on school's WhatsApp number. It's all about today. See you next time. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.